Mae garddio bywyd gwyllt yn ymwneud â chreu lloches, darparu bwyd fel eiron a neithdar, cynnig dŵr a safleoedd nythu. Ond mae o hefyd am ddewis planhigion sydd ddim yn mynd i fod yn niweidiol i fyd natur. Ac osgoi rhywogaethau estron a all fod yn niweidiol i'n hecosystemau naturiol. Byddwch chi'n gwybod gyda'i gilydd fod yn gerddi ni yn creu rhyw fath o tirwedd byw. Gyda tua 30 miliwn o erddi ym Rhydain, mae'r ffordd da ni fel garddwyr yn gofalu am ein gerddi yn greu gwahaniaeth mawr i fyd natur. Does dim ots beth i maint eich gardd chi, fe allwn ni gyd arddio mewn ffordd sydd yn fwy cyfeillgar i fyd natur. Heddiw, da ni wedi dod i weld gardd bywyd gwyllt sy'n tu allan i swyddfa ymddiriedolaeth natur Gogledd Cymru. A da ni am siarad efo Anna Williams, swyddog addysg gyda'r ymddiriedolaeth, a'r unigolyn oedd yn gyfrifol am greu'r ardd hyfryd yma sy'n denu bywyd gwyllt. So Anna, tell me a little bit more about this wildlife garden outside your offices in Bangor.
Well, we started it in 2017 and we made a plan, made a design together with volunteers and some staff.
But how does one go about creating a wildlife garden in the first place?
So you want different habitats, you want water, you want plants that are full of nectar, you want some shelter like trees and shrubs. And then you see how they can all fit in the best way according to your soil and the locality.
So it's about creating as many different types of habitats as possible for as many different creatures as possible, I suppose.
Absolutely. And then also having the overwintering areas for them.
Do you get lots of wildlife coming into the garden here?
We do indeed.
Ah, fantastic.
And it's really nice. We have bumblebees, we have butterflies, quite a lot of birds. I think we recorded up to 30 different species.
Wow.
Also the bird song, which is lovely. So it's a great place, not just for wildlife, but for the staff of the trust.
Ah, okay.
So they can come out at lunchtime and sit and chill in the garden and enjoy a bit of wildlife.
Yeah. Well, it looks like a wonderful place to come and relax during your lunchtime, doesn't it? So it sounds like you've had a lot of help to create this wonderful garden in the first place.
Yes, I've been organising right from the beginning volunteer days. And also we want to have the connection with the community, like the university, and we've had lots of students who've come here, break from their academic study, and they've been doing some practical work like digging a pond.
Okay, and you've got volunteers helping you on a regular basis here as well?
Yes, so the two regular ones.
Are they just up here? Is that who I can hear in the background?
Yes.
Can we go and meet them?
Yeah.
Hello Colin and Sue, nice to meet you. Can you tell us first of all what motivates you to work in the garden here and how long you've been working here?
I've been here about 5 years, 6 years.
Right.
My trade was gardening, so it's a natural step once I retired.
Fantastic.
Sue?
Yeah, it's local to me and I love gardening.
I can see some kind of common garden plants that most people would have in their gardens here, like the butterfly bush and the Himalayan honeysuckle next door to it there, the Laceasteria.
Yeah.
So are these problematic plants? Is it the capacity for them to kind of spread that's the problem, is it?
By seed, yes.
So how can gardeners reduce the spread of plants like butterfly bush?
Well, just keep them in check, really. Just need to make sure you're getting rid of the brown, unsightly.
So when they finish flowering,
Yeah, just get rid of those seed heads.
stop them seeding freely.
This is an urban setting. You know, you can't control what people grow in their garden. You just got to control them when they come to yours.
So it's the idea of managing some of the plants and stopping their spread
Yeah, I mean,
in your own garden, but beyond the garden boundary as well.
you've got some responsibility as well for what happens outside your garden. The aim really is to have something flowering or, fruiting all through the year as much as possible. So we've introduced things which aren't native, but we try not to introduce things which are known to spread problematically.
Yeah, no, gardeners have a big responsibility.
Okay, so Anna, what would be your top tips to anyone who's wildlife gardening and how they can be a bit more responsible in terms of the plants they've got in their gardens?
I think people need to do a little bit of research of the plants they choose, because some of them do have potential to be very invasive, spread across to the neighbours. And there's lots of information available online, and you can find them in a series of videos like this one, which is part of a gardener's toolkit.
Right. Oh, fantastic. So there is help available for gardeners to be able to identify some of these plants and understand a little bit more about them.
Definitely.
So it's about the knowledge that you need as a gardener.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Absolutely.
Diolch yn fawr, Anna. Felly, dim ots beth i maint eich gardd chi, mae creu cynefinoedd a garddio mewn dull sydd yn fwy cyfeillgar i fyd natur yn rhywbeth y gall pob garddwr ei wneud i sicrhau fod natur yn ffynnu. Helpwch sicrhau fod natur yn ffynnu, gan ddeall yn well y planhigion da chi'n ei dyfu a atal lledaeniad planhigion ymledol.